Welcome. This is Engineering Mechanics class 57, part 2. I will tell the reason for writing. Our part 2 is equilibrium, types of loads and support reactions. This is lecture number 16. Now, something I want to tell. Equilibrium, we almost completed from engineering mechanics point of view or structural engineering point of view. What all we require in engineering mechanics, we completed. Now, I was in two minds. I should go to, one option is go types of loads and support reaction. Remember, that means if I enter here, I am entering real structural engineering field. From here onwards, each and everything important for those who want to learn structural engineering. Other option, see, in equilibrium, in engineering mechanics, from structural engineering point of view, what you have covered is sufficient. But competitive examinations or academic papers, they give so many questions like contact surface reactions. See, some examples are written here. I'll write plenty of examples. I'll give all the examples first. See, like, see, a cylinder of some weight W is resting on a vertical plane. Now this will fall down. So to prevent it falling down, they will attach a cable, either cable or wire or string or rope. If weight is very heavy, wire will not do, cable may be required. Anyway, that is not in engineering mechanics. Engineering mechanics, we never bother about the strength of the cable, how much force comes. Okay, now, then as it comes down, this cable will be in tension. I'll show the tension here. This cable will be in tension, quite easy to understand. See, tension in the cable. This you have to find out. Very simple question. Here, some sphere or some block, anything, either a sphere or block, see here, some inclined surface is there. Either a cylinder, see, if I place here, it will come down. Or I can place a block, see, this way. Anything will do, will be placed. One thing forgotten, in all these cases, this contact surface, the contact surface is considered to be smooth. Smooth, very, very important. Reason is there, if it is not smooth, if it is rough, then friction will come. Friction will come. Anyway, when friction comes, it is separate chapter for us. See, after I finish type of load, support reactions all, I will go to friction. There also, again two options. One, briefly cover frictions or whatever required for structural engineering or what I am doing now. See, I'll tell you this question. Therefore, smooth surface. Now, one very important. Whenever a body is resting on a smooth surface, there will be reaction on the body from the surface. See, suppose I press this way, from surface, a reaction will come. I will mark the reaction here. I will explain. There will be a reaction here like this. It should be somewhat compressive in nature. Tension reaction not possible because see, if I press down, reaction will be up. If I lift up, there is no reaction. Why? It will get separated. So the reaction, I will put R. You have to find that reaction also. This question. Or here, see, if you place here, it will not be in equilibrium because its weight is acting down. It will start rolling down. This will start sliding down. See, suppose I prevent it here. See, leave it. This too will start sliding down. This is called rolling down. Now, how to prevent it? To prevent it, so many options are there. One of the options, you apply a force here. Some force. You have to find that force. See, red color means unknown. You have to find that force. Of course, there will be a reaction here, perpendicular to the plane. At any smooth surface, contact surface, the reaction on the body from the surface is always normal to the plane. Make a note. At any smooth surface reaction on the body considered, on the body or object considered from the surface, from the somewhat support from the surface will be normal to the plane, will be normal to contact surface, and it will be somewhat compressive in nature. See, this way, it can't be tension. So there will be a normal reaction. This force P, okay, you have to find out a reaction R will be there. Friction is not there. Why? Actually later, friction. Now, when you find this P, you should apply only that much P required. Suppose you apply more P, it will start going up. The question will be what? What is the force P required for equilibrium? Okay. Now, or instead, see, you can either apply a force and see, suppose someone is coming down, you can prevent it by pushing this way. Or you can do one thing. If it starts coming down, you can prevent it by applying a force this way. Now see, a pull P. This is okay. Or here also there will be reaction R, normal to the plane. A pull you can apply. See, when something is falling down, you prevent it. Or if you are applying a pull, you can use a cable. You tie a cable. Then when it starts coming down, the cable will prevent it. The cable will be in tension. See, same nature. Here it is called P, here it is called T. Here also there will be reaction normal to the plane. These are some simple questions. Just an object resting on a vertical plane means something like this. Inclined plane means like this. Now, I will tell you more concept here. This is one part. Today I will explain what all I am going to do. See, purpose is those who are studying, using my class for academic purpose or competitive examinations or like either any job examination, PWD, etc., or engineering services, anything, some RRB, something names are there, SSC, so many exams are there. There they ask such questions. So now, further, more examples I will tell you. This I will remove now, not required. See, more example of such type. Or see, or you can have, see, something like this. Some surface here. Some cylinder is resting here. Circle exact I can't draw. Some weight will be there, W. The question will be asked. See, as it comes down here, it can't come down. There will be a normal reaction here. Again, everywhere surface is smooth. A normal reaction R here. A normal reaction contact point R. Say R1, R2. You have to find how much R1, how much R2. This question also required. Or, see, you can have one more question. See, for example, inclined plane goes this way. There is a cylinder here. One more cylinder here. Okay. Weight here, weight here. Now, see, again, there will be normal reaction here. See, these are all contact surface. There is a normal reaction here, and also there is one very important contact point. There will be mutual reaction. This I will explain separately. This will be explained separately later. Explained separately when we reach here. Not right now. This is very, very important. It is mutual reaction. This one. Then or further, this also over. I'll put one more sketch now. Here, see, here one block, two blocks. Okay. Actually, there is no limit for the questions. Endless number of questions are possible. Or, see, one cylinder is here. There is one more cylinder here. Okay, this question. Now, one condition. Diameter of this cylinder plus diameter of this cylinder together should be more than this length. Suppose, for example, this diameter is 100, or mathematically probably understood. Suppose sum of these two diameters is less than this distance, then what will happen? See, you can't place it. One here, one here. It will come down. It will come down and touch the surface. That is left for the person who said the question. Here. See what will happen here? Here also a normal reaction, and here some mutual reaction will be explained later. Of course, weight will be there. This question. Or, I will come to last one now. See, two cylinders here. Over that one more cylinder is resting. Here. Wait. See. And then, see. This I will explain. This way. These are the questions. This way, any number of questions are possible. But I was in two minds. These are all not important or required for those who are going to structure, who are interested in learning the subject for the purpose of design of structure, design for going to design field in structural engineering. Who is going to ask such questions? No. But all these questions, what I told, they are very important for those who are writing academic examination, like engineering, BE or diploma, like that. And also equally important for those who write competitive examinations. So I was in two minds. Shall I include this or not? Or simply leave it and go to next part? But then I decided. I told complete coverage of subject. So if I do not do this one, I will not be doing justice for those people who want such questions, either for academic purpose or for competitive examinations. So I decided, not much. I will go for limited number of questions. See, maybe some 3 or 4 classes I will take. So that is what to do. I have to cover 3 or 4 classes. Plenty of exercise or homework type I will give. In the notes, I will go for more and more questions. In the class, some questions I will briefly explain. But in the notes, I will write it. So, because of this one, our important part, type uploads, and then which one, support reactions or structure engineering part will be slightly shifted. So, I think subject justice point of view, I felt I should do this one. I was in two minds. Okay, then because then only it will become what? Complete coverage. Okay, therefore, I will start these questions now. Now, before I start, as I told, one important concept I will tell now only. See, already I told, in all questions, right now, not in friction later, right now, it is understood that all contact surfaces are smooth. All contact surfaces are smooth. That is no friction. Friction will be always along the surface. It is not there. Along the surface. This is not there. But when I take a friction, then I cannot tell no friction. Chapter only is called friction. There also, what happens is, structural engineering point of view, friction can be finished in only one class. We don't require much knowledge. Some simple concept. But subject point of view, if I cover everything, simple problem, ladder friction, wedge friction, and inclined plane friction, it may take up 7-8 classes. Okay, I will take it. So this one. And then I will not tell again and again like that. Second one, I already told you, second important point is you write it at all contact surfaces which are considered smooth, which are considered as smooth. I will not tell again and again now. There will be a normal reaction. There will be reaction at contact point, at contact surface, which will be normal, means perpendicular, which will be normal to the plane, and very, very important, since surface is smooth, see, very simple to understand. See, just make a note. I will take my hand here. Imagine smooth. I will put something here. I will press it. Okay, see, from surface, reaction will come somewhat like compression. It will act inward to my object. See, if I apply, reaction will act inward. Now, if I lift it, it will come out. So, there is no reaction possible which is somewhat tension type at the contact surface. And make a note, that reaction will be somewhat compressive type. If you place you remember, if you place something, some object there, small object, anything, it will get crushed. Means compression. Right? And it will act towards, see, it will act towards our body considered, body or object considered. I will not keep on telling every class now. See, remember, any contact surface, reaction is acting towards, not away. Acting away means it will get separated. But acting away is possible in cable. See, I told smooth surface. If cable is there, acting away by tension. But contact surface, smooth surfaces, that is always acting towards, not away. Make all this note. Now, today, I will take up one or two typical questions. Then I will continue or further. Start question 1. See, I will give the question in words in the class. I told class, a cylinder of weight 6 kilonewton is resting against a smooth vertical either wall or vertical surface or vertical plane. Smooth vertical plane. Then, to prevent it from falling down, a cable is attached as shown in figure. This I can't give words. As shown in figure. A cable. See, this angle they will give. Say this angle is 30 degrees given in the question. See, you can still give angle Y. Nobody should give this question. They have to use half the page. The cable is connected there at the top, then it is again fixed to the wall, and that line makes, who will tell all those things? 30 degrees. Find tension in the cable and also reaction at the contact surface. This is a question. Now, solution. See correctly. Solution. Class. I always told, when I tell class what I am dictating, you have to write if you are serious. This is not first time I am telling. This is for those who are serious. Those who are not serious, do whatever you want. Okay. Class. See. Let T be the, in the class, let R be normal reaction at the contact point of a cylinder with smooth vertical wall. You draw the sketch once again now. See, this now I'll do one thing now. Question is over. Write this sketch once again right here. If you want to understand everything, do not touch the given question. This I told you. In future I will not tell. But I will write. Sir, you told do not write. You do not write. When I enter something in the given question, it is understood I am drawing the question once again. Why should I draw once again? You draw once again. Okay, see, start. R with a reaction. Normal to the plane, R. Name not required. Then this center I will call O. See, this remove this weight. This weight is downward acting. I should not tell why. 2 kilonewton. And tension in the cable. Now a cable is not required. Tension in the cable is T. T. Actually here I have to write, space not there. Okay, anywhere. Okay, right there. T. This angle is 30 degrees. This is the, this sketch should come here. Now consider free body of cylinder. Class. Free body class. Make a note. Little later, one class will be taken exclusively for free body. One very powerful class. It is meant for complete structural engineering. Very, very powerful. So, I will not waste too much time on free body now. When you consider free body of an object or a body, what I am telling right now, only once I will tell, next time I will not tell. What I am telling now, you should write somewhere earlier if you want. Before starting the problem, you write. When you consider free body of an object or a block or a cylinder, all this beam later, not now. Beam I will tell later. Either any object given in the question or a cylinder or a block, etc. You consider that one, consider its weight. In case in the question, if they tell weightless or ignore the weight, don't consider weight. Then mark reactions also, you write the weight. Then if any force is directly acting on that one, suppose in a question, they give a load here, they will not give here, okay, suppose they give a load here, 8 kilonewton, then you write it, you write the 8 kilonewton. See, first you consider weight you have to consider. Then second one, if any load is given, consider that one. These two together is called action. Action. I use the word action, means its own weight and any forces acting on it. Then you consider reaction. See, action with reaction will be in equilibrium. This all I will explain in that special class. A lengthy class will be there for exclusively for free body. So till that time, what I tell you, believe it. I think by this time, I am sure you have come to a conclusion that this person can be believed. Okay. Reaction. Reaction is, see, reaction on that block or cylinder or object from either a surface or from another block. Reaction acting on that, see, or you can tell reaction on that object considered. Reaction on that object considered. Okay, sufficient. Someone will tell, he is not telling much. Yes, I am not telling much because very, very thoroughly I am going to explain. So, when I consider free body, see, its weight is 2 kilonewton. A reaction acting here, R. Tension means, see, you should take this one. That is not there here at the contact point. Tension T. Now you have to find T and R. Now how to find T and R? You have two options. See, I will tell you two options. Correctly observe. Is Lami's theorem applicable? Yes. You can tell yes. So this question is not for Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem applicable. Okay, then apply it. Then see. Point O, first of all, I will not explain anything. Very, very thoroughly, we consider Lami's theorem. Go back and study and come back. See. This is going away. This is going away. But R is acting towards. So what you have to do? Some modification required. If you are applying Lami's theorem, see, if you maintain T as it is, 2 as it is, if you shift R to that side, or if you maintain R as it is, 2 should from this side, T from this side, but better maintain T as it is. See, this 60 degrees clear, because this is 30 degrees, this is 60 degrees, this is T. Then 2 kilonewton load acting here, 2 kilonewton. This R push that side, push that side. This point name O. Now, this angle is 90 degrees. This angle is, see, it is, see, which angle? You can see here. See, light line, I should not explain. This is 60, then this is 180 minus 60 is 120 degrees. This angle is, see, 90 plus 60, 150 degrees. So you can write, start from unknown here, tension T divided by sine 90 equal to R divided by sine 150 equal to 2 divided by sine 120. You will get the value of tension T in kilonewton and normal reaction R in kilonewton. Solve and get the answer. Actually, I don't have to solve. Okay. 2 divided by sine 120 into sine 150, sine T, sine 90, sine 90 is 1, why I am wasting time. 2.3094, which one? That is T. Okay, red color I write, answer. Answer red color only always, because usually answer, unknown answer, I use red color. 2 plus actually, sign also important. Plus 2 point, forgot. Plus 2.3094. 3094 kilonewton, and R equal to 2 divided by sine 120 equal to into sine 150 equal to 1.45, 1.1547 kilonewton. Over. Solution over. Now, every class I will tell, or you refer once again this sketch only. This is, so right here, Lami's theorem is over. Okay, Lamy is over. But 1 minute now, let me check the answer. I can check very easily with the, I don't require any theorem here. This is 2 means 2 divided by sine 60. 2.3094 into 0.5. 1.154, correct. Over. Don't worry what I did. You never bother what I did. That is not for you. Okay. If you start worrying what I do, here somehow you can make out. When I start solving problems on indeterminate structure, suddenly I will tell. Let me check. 18 point something. 21.4. Yes, 21.4. What I tell you cannot make out. Don't try to compete with me. Or if at all you learn and reach the stage, I'll be very, very happy. My purpose is to give knowledge. There is nothing more pleasing for a teacher than knowing that someone who studied from him has got tremendous knowledge and is ready for competing with himself or will overtake him. Okay, overtake. I will tell, I only taught him. Okay, now. Or refer this sketch only. See, you can make as usual XX, YY. You can write here. Not required. Make one XX and YY. Then sigma fx0 and sigma fy0. Solve. You get the same answer. See, I will read here. Sigma fx0 minus t cos 60 plus r equal to 0. Equation number 1. Sigma fy0 plus t sin 60 minus 2 equal to 0, you get the same answer. This is the question for a simple question. Today I started. I think I took more time today. Lot of explanations are there. Now I will conclude the class. I thought I will do 2-3 problems. No. Inclined plane all I will do from tomorrow. And multiple blocks all I will take next class. Now, very important information. In case you are not interested in all these questions, still, I will tell, still, if you go through the class and learn, your knowledge will improve. If the knowledge improves, nobody can complain. I started learning more and more. Now I know more and more concept. Subject is more clear. What to do? Happy. Don't apply it later. Maybe if you are a teaching line, such questions you have to solve in the colleges or anywhere. Therefore, 1. As soon as this cylinder problem or contact surface questions, equilibrium, because they are in any textbook you see, you can see plenty of questions. I will try to solve maximum possible. Second one, little later, parallelly, I am going to start questions for objective questions, either for GATE or UPSC or any local body examinations, etc., any CET examination, PG CET they call in Bangalore, such questions. I will start preparing questions where I decided it will take some time. Every question I will solve in the board and write it in a neat notes format and prepare it. That is little later. There I will solve such questions once again, but there is no principle. Principle means this I will tell. No proof, nothing proof. I will tell this is the equation, you have to believe. You can surely believe me. That is guaranteed. The competitive examinations all, you won't discuss how it came. We discuss not how it came, how to apply it, that's all. Okay, I will conclude now. Go through this one. And I am seeing all these classes, not many are viewing. So those who are going through my classes, as I told earlier, you spread the news. Slowly you can make out how much, what you can tell is how much classes or how much knowledge I will give or what level I will take. Slowly you can make out. So spread the news, share to others, and see that more and more people join and subscribe, and people start learning more and more from my classes. As I told, after engineering mechanics, strength of materials, structural analysis, then RCC, steel, pre-stress concrete, almost complete structural engineering, except software classes. Everything I am doing, software I found, it is not possible. The reasons are there. Software class cannot be conducted here. That is the only class I will take privately or for those who join the batch with some prescribed fees for that one. Otherwise, here, nothing. It is free for everybody. Free knowledge I am giving, that too in systematic order. It is for you to utilize and see that everybody gets use of this class. Okay, thank you. See you in the next class.